Hi, this is Dave from ASC, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about how to take a CPC system which is in temporary license mode and switch it to permanent license mode. So the first thing I'm going to do is on my main screen, I'm going to move my mouse to the very top of the screen, hit the right click button on the mouse and select version info. And what you'll see here in the drop down screen here is you're going to see basically that there's a center section, and it identifies that the software is currently operating in a temporary license mode. This license will expire on a specific date, and obviously different installations will have different dates. Okay, so the way that the license works is there is a coded number related to each installation of CPC, and that number is coded to the hardware on that computer. And when that, and in order to get the temporary license switched to a permanent license, that specific number, it has to be sent to ASC, and then ASC will send back a corresponding license key that needs to be entered in the system, and that will then create a permanent license for your software. So there is a button that says set permanent license, and the first thing that you're going to see here is there's a validation key and a license code. And so this is a validation key which is generated by your CPC system based on the hardware that it's attached to. And what you want to do is take that key and email that over to ASC. So basically you would open your email server and then write a new email and basically send that to support at asc.home or to one of your contacts at ASC, and say license key in the subject, and then place that license key there. Okay. So what will happen there is when you send that to ASC, within a day, ASC will basically send you back a unlock code, okay? And that unlock code gets entered here in the license code. And then when you basically enter that unlock code here, and it's going to be a series of letters that'll be like this, 4-digit or 4-character letters, and I believe there will be 5 or 6 sets of those. Once you enter that and you press set code, it will automatically switch your license from a temporary license to a permanent license. Okay, and this needs to happen on both your PCA and your PCB. So this would be for the PCA information. To log on to PCB, what's recommended is if you are on PCB, you would, let me close this down here. So if you're operating off of PCB, when you start your PCB's CPC server or CPC software, you want to press this button right here, connect locally. So you connect locally, and what will happen there is the client will connect to the local software on that PCB, okay? And then you do the same routine there. Go to version info, set your permanent license, and that will be a different validation key, okay? So you can send both the validation key for PCA and for PCB. But remember that you must be on PCB, launch that software and connect locally, and basically down on the bottom of the screen then it would, on the server PC, you'll actually see PCB at the very bottom. Okay. Once you're done with that PCB operation, you can shut down PCB, shut down the client and the server, and then relaunch that, and you'll be back up to running on your temporary license. When you get the 2 license codes or the 2 unlock codes from ASC for A and B, you will then run through that procedure again and type those numbers in, okay? And that's how you do it. It'll take about a day or two because ASC has to be in reading those emails and then generating those codes. So if you're overseas and you want to send that to us, send it to us in the evening, at which your time, and we will take care of it that next day, following day. Okay, thanks.